Morning guys. Haven't been to Blackpool in what seems like forever, but we're going to go and have a look along the prom. I heard there's some rides there, getting ready for winter, Christmas by the sea, sorry. So we're going to have a look. Right, this is the Beach House Bistro, and literally you have to have a mortgage to eat in there. A friend of mine, £22 for a burger and a drink. No thank you, not for me. There's plenty of little cafes that are a lot more better value for money. Ooh, okay, what we got here? Wow, they're getting on a lick here, aren't they? Right, I heard that there's a Fabry booster down here somewhere. BBC. Hang on a sec. Right, let me just check. Right, these are the I don't know, Christmas baubles, I guess. Best way to describe them on a family-friendly channel. Right. Where's the booster? Right, this stuff here is all... Oh, there it is. This stuff here is all the Christmas village being set up. That was where the bar was last year, and you had like heaters in there. Oh, that's more like it. Wow. I would love to come down and see that being made up. You can see. That is... Oh, interesting. It's a Fabry booster. That's cool. I'm not saying that in any way, shape or form am I ever going to be getting on it, but they're cool to watch. I know, go on, you can go chicken. That's kind of where they're going to put it, maybe. Because it looks like possibly they're starting to set it up, maybe. Cool. Oh, I can't wait to see that. I've probably seen that at Hull, if I'm honest with you. So these are normally got like artisan stalls and stuff on them. Oh, there's some majorettes over there. Hark back to what Georgie used to do many, many moons ago. So these bits here have normally got like a wintry overlay on them. Ooh. And actual fact, I might hang around a bit, so I wonder if they're going to be putting that up today. It'd be cool if they did, 3/4, it'd be brilliant. So that's where the tower show goes from. You got more of the huts. There you go. I think you're going to start to see the rides appear soon. Oh, okay. There's bits missing from Odyssey. I wonder if they're making improvements. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, were they taking it down? Oh, I very much hope not. Oh, good.
I was just saying on my vlog.
I'm well upset about
what
that.
I think they're going to do is take that away so they've got more space for more rides.
Oh, well, yeah, if they put a sizzler there, that'd be worth it.
Yeah.
Wow, okay. There you go, so they're taking that away, which is a shame. I only actually got to see Odyssey once, which I'm now incredibly gutted about. Oh, it's such a shame. Oh, look at this. Hang on. Would you say this looks like a Starflyer sized hole? I've got to say, guys, look at that. Wow. Looking at it, it's like a starflyer size hole, maybe. Yeah, I'm well gutted they've taken Odyssey away. That was here a lot longer last year. I've got to say, that never fails to amaze me. We're so lucky to live here. Right, I haven't been about a lot lately because let's just say I'm involved in a project with my son and 3 of his friends to hopefully bring an airsoft arena to Blackpool. And that's all I can say for now. So hopefully towards the end of the year we'll have some good news for you. I've not been promised first look round, so I'm excited about that. So keep it locked into this channel and you'll find out all about this brand new venture, which is hoping to start in January. Oh, there's more majorettes. I do miss when George used to do that, I must admit. Right, I'm going to go and find Life on the Ocean Wave, and I think I feel a Higgett Burger coming on his last day of the season. Sitting here waiting for Life on the Ocean Wave to finish his vlog, and look what they're doing. I guess they're testing the lights on the ride. That's cool. I think he's gone down that way somewhere. Whoop. There you go. So testing to make sure the lights work on the ride, I guess. Right, walking down to Higgett's. A little bit concerned about that cloud, if I'm honest with you. So we're going to walk down to see Chris Higgett for the last day of his season, get a burger. I mean, I've been really good about losing weight because I'm diabetic now, but I'm entitled to a treat. I was at the diabetic nurse said to me, everything in moderation. That's my excuse, I'm sticking to it. So yeah, I think a lot of these places are now probably going to shut down and only open on the weekends. Because like, when you get the Christmas by the Sea stuff, that's only open at the weekends in November. I don't think that starts opening daily till December. So yeah, a little bit disappointed. So we're walking down the Central Pier, and I will jump back on here once we're at Higgett's. Right to be done, guys. I think we've hit the main man on his last day of his season, eh?
Stanley. Oh, it's Stanley, huh?
So we're going to go and see Mr. H. Give me a minute. There you go, guys. The drop of the good stuff. So we're celebrating Chris Higgett's last day of the season by buying a burger. Right. I've got a reprobate here.
I'm there.
It's the dodgiest one on the prom, trust me.
Life on the Ocean Wave here. Please like and subscribe.
Yep. You can give his channel a subscribe for me, guys. That'd be brilliant. So I'm going to shut this camera off and I'm going to yam my burger. I will see you in a minute and tell you exactly how nice it was. Right, so the man in the bingo didn't win anything. Hey ho. I watched Speak to Chris. I get the feeling I'm not going to get to. Oh well, we had a burger on his last day, eh? Hey ho. Right, guys. Yeah, this is us, I guess. And last day of, well, what should have been the season had we not had Christmas by the Sea. We are, hang on, by Central Pier. Yeah, and I'm done. I've had a bit of a walk in a Higgett Burger, and I'm going out and give my little doggo Cholo a cuddle. So yeah, if you can find it in your heart, please like and subscribe. That'd be awesome. You know, I guess my next goal is 1,000 subscribers. If you want to, please. If not, then you know you've watched this review and figures. Thank you very much. I like that. I say this how I normally do. Stay safe and have a good day. Goodbye.